Hey, so I just got in, hit pouring rain today, and yeah, testing out the theory of I can't part with my boots because I love them. So the theory is if you wear it in something where it is not useful to you in the moment, that you should be more easily able to throw things out. So my boots have holes in them, and I knew today was going to rain, possibly not as bad as I realized. So I thought, if I get wet feet, will this make me more likely to throw these boots away? I even have new boots to replace these boots. But I love these boots. I have a really hard time throwing them away. If I tried, I've actually thrown them away once and I've taken them back. So, my feet are in puddles. I'm freezing all day because of that. Am I more likely to throw them away? Well, I'm in the trash room. Let's see. I mean, this and look at this. I love them though. And my feet is absolutely soaking. Watch me get sick from this shoe. Oh my god, I can't even get it off. God, it's stuck. It's even worse. Look at this. Look at this. My feet are soaking. I'm tired and I'm cold. Am I gonna throw them away? Testing 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. Does something adverse make you more able to let go of things? Does the rain make my boots with holes in them affect my throwing them away? Yes. Yes, it did. And to prove it to you, here you go. Trash chute. Boot. Okay. It's still there. Oh, it's because there's a bag stuck in there. Oh, did you hear that? They're gone. Sad, but I mean, I'm leaving wet marks. Can you see that? Look at this. I really can't go into that trash room and get them now. I can't believe I did that. But, you know, it's right. It's good. It's true. Testing, true testing.